Hey, hello. I'm Sean McAlorum. I'm from the new graphic design program. It'll be more hands-on and practical. My experience is that students need to be ready to work in the industry. You'll have a portfolio. There's still plenty of opportunities in the graphic design territory. Don't believe the hype about AI is going to take all the graphic design jobs. I have a lot of industry contacts. I work with industry a lot, and they want people to be able to know how to use it as a tool. So it's another tool. Prague City is just a beautiful place to look at. It's got so much history. You can go around every corner, down every street, and you can find something interesting, whether it's a piece of history, maybe even a piece of graffiti. And also it's centrally located. So you can, by plane, train, and automobile, you can be anywhere in Europe. Portfolio is essential in graphic design. I've always tried to make sure that students have industry-ready portfolios, something that will impress immediately, something that can compete with other people applying for the job. You could be working in 3D territories, you could be working in production companies, you could be working in editorial, in magazines or book publishing, you could work in advertising. I'll get you ready for the industry. Enjoy it. Enjoy being a graphic designer. It's never boring. Collaborate. Actually learn to work with others. In graphic design, you never work alone. So it was nice talking to you. This is one of the classes where I'm going to teach. I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye.